Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video, guys. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and in this video I'll be showing you how to update to the new Samsung clock. This update is available for all One UI 6 devices. Okay, so with the new Samsung clock update, it brings a fresh new look to the Samsung clock. It improves performance and stability of the clock, as well as it fixes some bugs. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to do the update. So when you go to the the Galaxy Store, and you check for updates, okay, it's taking a while to load up. Let's try that again. So when you check for updates, you'll see there's no actual update for the clock. So what you'll need to do is go to the link in the description and download it from there. So I'm just going to type in clock. Hold on, Samsung clock. And the current version is 12.3.00.30, as you can see. However, with the new update, it will have the version number 12.3.00.36, and the update package is 28.22 megabytes in size. So I will leave a link to it in the description down below. Just download it from there, and then I'm going to take you through the next step of how to install it. See you in a second. Okay guys, so I'm back again. So like I said, just download the updated clock from the description down below and save it onto your phone. And then open up the file manager, My Files, and then scroll down to the internal storage to locate the downloaded clock. Select download, and here you will see the file. Then just go ahead to settings and select allow permissions. Then select update, and then go ahead and select open. So this is the new updated clock, and then select settings, and then scroll down to about clock, and you will now see that you have the new updated version of the clock for One UI 6.0. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one, guys. I'm out. Deuces.